was asked recently how Louisiana courts determine who is at fault for a car accident. That's a good question. I think the best way to explain it is by comparison. Some states have no fault insurance coverage. Louisiana is not that. We have fault-based coverage. No fault would mean that your insurance company pays your medical bills regardless of who caused the accident. In Louisiana, it's the opposite. Whoever caused the accident, whoever was at fault, their insurance company has to pay the medical bills for the people who are not at fault. Not only medical bills, any other damages as well. I think there are only 14 states that changed over to the no-fault system. The purpose would have been to lower insurance premiums, but whether or not that actually worked can be a talk for a different day. In Louisiana and most states, who is at fault matters. Determining who is at fault is going to be different in every case. We have to look at the evidence, all of the facts and circumstances that led up to the accident to determine who caused it, who was at fault. The classic example would be a red light case, where both drivers said they had a green light. This would be in a four-way intersection controlled by a traffic light. Presuming the light was working properly, somebody had a red light. So we have to try and determine who did. Sometimes we use witness testimony. Sometimes we have video coverage from a traffic cam or nearby business. Maybe we can tell who controlled the intersection by seeing how far one car got into it before the accident happened. Sometimes it's just a he said, she said scenario. And in that case, the judge or jury has to decide who they believe. Those can be really difficult cases. But however it happened, we have to use the evidence that is available. Sometimes it's pretty obvious. Sometimes it takes a lot of digging. Sometimes it can come down to which lawyer can argue the case best. So picking your lawyer may matter.